Welcome to Biker Dudes. Biker Dudes is a channel by bikers, for bikers.
Alright guys, so I had an issue yesterday while riding. I lost spark on the one coil bank. So I'm gonna let you hear what the bike actually sounds like when that happens. So when you know, you know. Let's see, even struggles to start. That's because it's flooded. Alright, to save some time, I've already done some work here. So what we need to change is the coil stick. It looks like this. You can see better there. And to get to that, we need to loosen up the crash bars over here and the one at the bottom there by the exhaust. And then usually this moves away far enough so you can have enough space to work. Then this red cover, usually other color on other bikes, but mine's a bit painted. There's a little bolt over there. You need to loosen that up, and then it's quite easy to get this out. It basically just lifts up when you work with the right hand. Boom. Okay, that was quick. And then you need to remove the coil stick. So there's a little plastic clip here that you need to, I can somewhat do that with my nail. Disconnect the plug, pull the coil out. It's quite tough in there, but it gets out easy. There we go. Fit the new one. Goes in quick. Make sure it's all the way in. Plug in the plug there, make sure that's in properly. And now the bike should start perfectly. Boom. So, just for a quick fix. So guys, something to remember is that this is easy to fix. These things are scarce, so you're probably gonna have to buy it second hand or new. New they, I think 4.5 grand each. Second hand, 1.5. I paid for mine now. You'll probably pay 1,800 or 2,000 rand per coil. And it is able, I've broken down about 150 kilometers away from where I live, and I rode the bike back here to George all the way on just one bank. And it was fun. It used a lot of petrol, but I didn't break the motor. And there you go, easy peasy.